Y'all, so I feel like it's really important that I show y'all what are some food grade plastics and containers that you can use, so y'all don't make the mistake and go buy Home Depot buckets like I did, so you don't waste your money. First, we're gonna start with things that are in our house. Like, for example, you have some milk jugs that are food grade that you can grow out of, but then you have some that you can't. So I'm gonna show you on the buckets and on the bottles and stuff that you can and you cannot grow out of, and the numbers. So y'all ready? Y'all see this water bottle, right? This distilled water bottle. You would think that you can grow food out of this, right? You just cut the bottom of this, right? Like with a milk jug. You can't. So on the bottom, it has numbers, right? You see number 1? I don't know if you guys can see it. Right there. You cannot grow food out of this. There's only 3 numbers I believe you can grow food out of. You would think you can grow food out of this Fairlife milk jug. You can't. You know why? It has a number 1. So I'm going to show y'all everything. All the numbers that you cannot grow food out of yet. When we go on my patio, these right here are nursery pots. I bought these from the nursery. They are food grades. Ooh. Have to fix that. They are food grade safe. On the bottom, it has a number, and that number is 2. Under the number has HDPE. That is considered food grade. Now, here's my milk jug with my mint in it. It has the same thing. A number 2, HDPE. You can grow food out of that. At the end of this video, I'm going to break down what you can and you cannot grow food out of. Now, on these buckets, these food grade buckets, right? It should say food grade container, wash prior to use, safe for use with food. Okay. On these containers, it has a number 2 with HDPE. Do y'all see that? You can grow food out of that. On the bottom of the pink buckets and the orange one, on mine, it is blank. So I already know if it's blank like that, that means I cannot consume. This mixing bowl, it has nothing on it, blank. I'm not even gonna consume because I don't know what plastic is made out of. You would think that it's food grade because you know you make food in it. However, you guys gotta think about it. When you dealing with the sun shoots its UV ray lights, it can break down the chemicals in these buckets, which can go into your food. And we don't want that. That's why it's best to use food safe containers like the white ones that have food grade on it, or go to your local nursery and say, hey, I need a food safe plastic pot, and they have some that you can use. No plastic container is completely free of risk, y'all. Those that are generally safe to use for contact with food and for food use in gardening are considered with the mark codes. A number 2 that has HDPE under it, a number 4 that has LDPE under it, a number 5 that has PP. It's always best that you guys look for the plastic labels as food grade or BPA free while growing your food, okay? Now, the plastic to avoid that we don't want to use at all is number 1, 3, 6, and 7 when growing these foods, because some of these plastics can leach into your soil, which will grow into the stem, into your plant, which will grow into your food and you consume it. No. But if you guys want me to break down what each of those numbers mean and provide more examples of what you can use, comment down below. BPA free. And I got you.